Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo Flush Rail base roof rack system for the 2018 through 2022 and likely beyond BMW X2 with factory installed flush side rails. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo Flush Rail foot pack, set of 4, and the WingBar Evo load bars, set of 2, available in silver or black, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of 4 of these contoured rubber bases and 4 sets of these rubberized metal side rail brackets and 4 of these barrel fasteners. Now, these components have numbers that are assigned to them, which correspond to numbers shown in the instruction sheet to help with the installation. And I'll demonstrate the installation on one of the Evo Flush Rail feet. So first I'll remove the outer cover, and with that cover removed, you can see we have a threaded post here. Now, these components of the fit kit not only have numbers assigned to them, but they also have letters to help with the correct order of installation, starting with letter A, which is the first part to be installed. That just sets down onto the foot. And then B is the rubber base pad, which just presses to the bottom of the foot. C is the outer bracket, and that just hangs on the upper portion. And then the final part is the barrel fastener, which will hold those pieces in place during assembly. Next would be to install this foot onto the load bar. Here we have the Thule WingBar Evo load bar. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. There is a dedicated track that runs along the top of the bar, which is accessed by opening the end cap, allowing you to slide in the approved hardware between the pieces of rubber in order to mount certain accessories directly to the top of the bar for a clean, integrated attachment. I'll take off this end cap, and now you can see there is a slot on the underside of the bar as well. And within this slot, we have a measuring device. The number on the measuring device is not referenced in the instruction sheet. However, you can use those numbers to help center the load bars on the vehicle manually. Now we'll go ahead and slide the foot down into the slot. And at this point, it's important to put your end cap back into place as a safety measure to help prevent the loose foot from slipping off the end of the bar while you're maneuvering the rack around the vehicle during install. Thule includes a tool for the install to tighten this barrel fastener. And when you're tightening this fastener, it not only will it tighten the brackets to the side rail, but also it tightens the foot to the load bar all simultaneously. And the tool has a handle which will click, and that would indicate that you've reached the full tightness. You'll hear that click in just a moment. Okay. Now, on the underside of the bar, you'll notice there is still some exposed slot there, and you do want to fill that in with rubber that is included with the load bars. The rubber is cut to measure to fill in that gap, and that will help to maintain the good airflow under the bar and your high performance aerodynamics. Next, we'll go ahead and return the outer cover into place, and that'll just snap on. Give the plastic plug here a quarter turn to hold that cover in place. Now you do have the option to replace that plastic plug there with a Thule lock cylinder. These lock cylinders are sold separately in matched sets, so you can lock all 4 of your feet using the same key. It's possible to get large quantity sets in order to not only match all of your feet, but also the lockable accessories to the top of the bar, all being locked using the same Thule key number. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Thule Evo Flush Rail base roof rack system. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. If you have any questions or comments on this system, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. And consider subscribing. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos on our YouTube channel, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.